Did you notice a water leak from underneath your washing machine? Friends, this is the continuation video for my part 1 of the part 6 videos. This is part 2 and the fix what I have shown in part 1. Let's see how it has worked, whether it has worked or not in this video. So let's look into that. Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Explored. This is your host Hari Kishan. I make lots of videos on technical product reviews, do-it-yourself fixes, Sanatana Dharma, interesting facts which help you and make your life better by saving your valuable time and money. Like, subscribe and share would be highly appreciable. Okay guys, let's directly jump into the fix, whether it has fixed or not. In my part 1 of part 6 washing machine water leakage fix issues, I have told you to put an mSeal underneath wherever the water is leaking, but unfortunately guys, this fix will not permanently solve your problem. Why I am saying that is because the root cause of the water leakage could be somewhere else, and you are just trying to close or seal the end point of water leakage without addressing the root cause from where the water is getting leaked. As you can see in this video, after the mSeal, which is the black one, still the water is leaking. So this sort of this sort of issue will not be solved by just putting mSeal, which is a very rudimentary way. Yes guys, in this video you can see that the washing machine is running in the drain cycle. I have tested it in various cycles, but still in all the cycles, wherever you run for little more than 15 minutes, you observe this water draining from again at the same place, but the water has found a slightly adjacent place where it can leak from where I have put mSeal. This mSeal is completely dried, friends, but still, you know, it has found a little adjacent place, and then the water is leaking. So eventually I can say that this mSeal fix will not work. So what I have done for this water drops leaking again from the same place even after putting mSeal is I'm going to address this in my part 3 video of this washing machine fixes. So if you haven't watched all the other videos, you can go into my channel and then look all those. Those are all very interesting videos and will definitely give you some good amount of learning curve for do-it-yourself fixes. So I suggest you to go ahead and watch all of them and save a lot of time and bucks. Thank you, friends.